There might be common events that everyone wants access to. And to do that, you can access something called Calendar of Interest from within Google Calendar. So to do that, I'm going to go around into Settings menu right here, and then I'm going to go to Settings. And over here on the left side, you'll be able to access that out. So over here on the Add Calendar section, you can see that there's an option called Browse Calendars of Interest. Once I click on this, you can see that there's global religious holidays that you have right here, and there's regional holidays over here as well. Let's say I want holidays in Brunei right here. I can include that out. I can include the holidays in China. I can include the holidays in Greenland right here, and simply according to the country that I want, you can see that I can select that out right here. And all the holiday calendars are added in. Similarly, I can enable Christian holidays. I can have Hindu holidays right here, Jewish, Muslim, and Orthodox holidays right here as well. Also, there's different events right here, like the sports events that you can add in and so forth. And then see like what events they are having. And similarly, without having to go through different things, you can just go around and add all those events onto your calendar. So you can see that on the top, you get all the things right here, like public holidays, as you can see right here. Over here on the top, if I were to go around, you can see on the top that you know like what certain things are. So over here, you can see that this is a Hindu holiday, there's the last quarter, and this is the phase of the moon. You can go around over here and you can see that this is the Jewish holiday right here. This is a national day in China and so forth. So you can have all of these calendars just pop up onto your Google Calendar quite easily. And that is how you can insert out Calendar of Interest easily inside of Google Calendar. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.